Did you know that 7 out of 10 people over 60 struggle with leg stiffness? But there are 6 teas that can change that in just 2 weeks. Have you ever felt like your legs just don't want to cooperate anymore? Like every step takes more effort than it used to, and climbing stairs feels like conquering a mountain. You're not alone in this experience. After 60, many of us start noticing that our muscles simply don't bounce back the way they used to. The aches linger longer, strength fades quicker, and even the simplest movements can leave us feeling exhausted and discouraged. But here's something truly encouraging. What if there were gentle, natural ways to help your body recover, rebuild, and reclaim the strength you thought was gone? What if the answer started with something as simple and comforting as a cup of tea? Yes, you heard that right, not an expensive supplement, not a demanding new workout routine, just tea. But not just any tea. There are specific blends backed by solid scientific research that can quietly support your muscles, improve your endurance, and help you walk with renewed confidence and ease. And the best part? These healing teas are hiding right there in your pantry, or just a few clicks away. Today, we're going to explore this warm, comforting world of recovery and rejuvenation. You won't need to overhaul your lifestyle or push your body too hard. Just small, soothing sips with genuinely powerful benefits. Perfect for someone who wants to feel strong and steady again without adding extra stress to their life. But don't skip ahead, because each tea I'm about to share brings something uniquely valuable to the table. Some work quietly while you sleep, supporting recovery through the night. Others ease the soreness that naturally follows your daily walks and activities. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which cup to reach for and when creating a personalized tea ritual that matches your body's needs. Let's start with our first healing brew, Tart Cherry Tea. This isn't just another fruity drink. This ruby red tea holds a quiet secret that could be genuinely life-changing for anyone struggling with muscle soreness and nighttime recovery. Especially if you've noticed that your body doesn't bounce back quite as fast after a walk, gardening, or even a light workout, this tea is specifically designed to help. Tart cherries are rich in powerful compounds called Anthocyanins, which are natural antioxidants that work to reduce inflammation and prevent muscle damage at the cellular level. What's truly fascinating is how they support deep recovery while you sleep. In a landmark clinical study published in the prestigious Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports, runners who drank tart cherry juice before and after a marathon experienced significantly less muscle pain and strength loss compared to those who didn't. That's no small thing when it comes to your muscles healing and rebuilding overnight, especially for those of us over 60. Even more compelling, a research study from Louisiana State University discovered that older adults who drank tart cherry juice twice a day for just 2 weeks slept longer and more soundly than ever before. But the real beauty of tart cherry tea is that it doesn't just help after intense activity. Even for light everyday movement like grocery shopping or a peaceful stroll around the neighborhood, this tea can ease the stiffness that tends to creep in the next morning. It's like giving your muscles a gentle, caring hug before bed support when they need it most. One of my favorite ways to enjoy it is warm in the evening, maybe after dinner while you're naturally winding down for the night. Simply steep the dried tart cherry tea, or use a small amount of tart cherry concentrate in hot water. It's pleasantly sweet and tangy, and you can personalize it by adding a slice of orange or a drop of honey if you like. You could even make it iced during the summer months, whatever feels most comforting and appealing to you. If sleep has been harder lately, this tea may help with that too. Tart cherries naturally contain melatonin, the very hormone your body naturally uses to signal sleep time and fall asleep peacefully. So, while your body is relaxing into restful sleep, your muscles are quietly repairing themselves and rebuilding strength. A warm cup before bedtime can become part of a simple evening ritual that helps your whole body exhale and let go of the day's tension. Now let's welcome our second healing tea, white tea. White tea comes from the same plant as green tea, but it's processed far less intensively. This means it retains a remarkably high level of antioxidants, especially catechins and polyphenols, but with a lighter touch and significantly less caffeine. That's wonderful news if you're sensitive to caffeine or want to avoid that jittery feeling many experience with stronger teas. According to research published in Food Chemistry, white tea can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in muscle cells, and these are two major reasons why our legs feel tired and sore after physical activity. Let's say you've spent the afternoon working in the garden, walking the dog, or doing housework. You feel that slow burn creeping into your muscles. Instead of pushing through it or ignoring it, try making a cup of white tea. It won't overpower your senses. It's calming, easy on the stomach, and perfect for older adults who want to stay active without overloading their systems. What I really love is how versatile white tea is. You can enjoy it warm in the morning as a gentle wake-up or after light activity to help calm your muscles down. Just steep it in water around 175–180 degrees Fahrenheit, never boiling, since that can damage the delicate leaves. If you're drinking it in the afternoon, give yourself a few hours before bedtime just to be safe. Brands like Heavenly Tea Leaves or those found in organic sections often have white tea blends with added herbs or fruits that bring wonderful variety without sacrificing the core benefits. You can even chill it for a refreshing iced version, perfect for a warm afternoon on the porch. It's a simple, graceful way to give your muscles the care they deserve. No loud flavors, no harsh effects, just gentle support that helps your body recover naturally. Next, we come to a golden blend that doesn't just taste comforting, it's like a natural relief balm for your joints and muscles. If your knees have been stiff lately or your legs feel swollen after standing too long, this is the kind of tea that can gently ease that tension and get your blood flowing a little smoother. It's not just tea, it's comfort in a cup. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that's been studied extensively by modern science. According to research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, GNENLF, curcumin has shown effects comparable to over-the-counter pain relievers for people with arthritis without the side effects that come with conventional medications. Another groundbreaking study in phytotherapy research highlighted curcumin's remarkable ability to significantly reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery times after physical activity. And when paired with ginger, which has its own strong anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects, you've got a powerhouse combination that supports your muscles and joints naturally. Think of those moments when your legs just ache. Not a sharp pain, but that dull, lingering discomfort that makes it hard to get up after sitting for a while, or that stiffness in your knees after climbing a few stairs. A warm cup of turmeric ginger tea, especially after meals or light exercise, can help soothe that from the inside out. It's like giving your body a deep breath of relief, calming that inner tension without any harsh chemicals. The best part? You don't need anything fancy to make it at home. Just slice a few pieces of fresh ginger, add a pinch of turmeric powder, or better yet, a few thin slices of fresh turmeric root, and let it simmer gently in water for about 10 minutes. A spoonful of honey adds a smooth, natural finish, and a squeeze of lemon brightens the flavor while boosting vitamin C. Here's a helpful tip. Curcumin is fat-soluble, so for better absorption, you might add a splash of almond milk or even a tiny bit of coconut oil. It's soothing, easy, and genuinely therapeutic. You can make it part of your evening ritual, something calming you look forward to while watching your favorite show or reading a book. Let it replace that nighttime snack or sugary treat. The smell of ginger and turmeric wafting through the kitchen is almost like aromatherapy. It reminds your body that you're slowing down and caring for it. Over time, this small habit might make a big difference. Less stiffness in the morning, better circulation during the day, more comfort as you move through life. Now let's explore Oolong Tea, a brew that sits somewhere between green and black tea, offering a deep, rich flavor and some genuinely surprising benefits for tired muscles and slow metabolism. If you've been feeling like your body isn't bouncing back the way it used to, or like your energy crashes halfway through the day, this could be the cup that brings balance and vitality back into your routine. Oolong tea is rich in polyphenols, especially theaflavins and theorubicins, which are known for their powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. According to a study published in the Journal of Food and Chemical Toxicology, these compounds can help reduce muscle fatigue, improve metabolic function, and lower markers of inflammation throughout your body. That means after light physical activity like stretching, walking, or even just standing for a while, oolong may help your muscles recover faster and feel less stiff. Picture this: it's mid-afternoon and you've been on your feet more than usual. Maybe you were organizing the closet, trimming the plants outside, or playing with the grandkids. That gentle soreness starts creeping in. Instead of pushing through or reaching for a sugary snack, imagine sitting down with a warm cup of oolong tea. Deep, slightly nutty, and grounding. Within minutes, you feel a little more centered, a little more restored. What makes oolong extra special is how it supports metabolism. For older adults, especially those trying to maintain strength or manage weight, this tea can be a gentle ally. A clinical trial published in the Chinese Journal of Integrative Medicine found that participants who drank oolong daily showed increased energy expenditure and fat oxidation even without changing their diets. That means your body could be working a little more efficiently behind the scenes just from sipping this wonderful tea. Brewing it is simple. Use hot but not boiling water around 185-200 degrees Fahrenheit and steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. You can enjoy it hot or cold depending on your mood or the season. Personally, I find a warm cup in the afternoon is the perfect pick-me-up without the jittery edge of strong coffee. Just 1 or 2 cups a day can make a real difference, not just for your muscles, but for your overall energy and balance. Think of it as a quiet reset button you can press anytime the day feels heavy. Ready to explore another comforting brew? This next one has roots in ancient traditions and brings calm in the most beautiful way. Holy basil tea, also known as Tulsi, isn't just any herbal infusion. It's been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to support stress relief, circulation, and overall vitality. And for older adults, especially those who feel worn out from daily tension or struggle with inflammation in the joints, Tulsi might become a daily companion you genuinely look forward to. What makes holy basil so special isn't just its earthy, slightly peppery flavor. It's what it does for your body and mind. Clinical research published in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine found that Tulsi helps regulate cortisol, the body's stress hormone. When cortisol levels are high, inflammation tends to rise and muscles take longer to recover. Tulsi gently brings those levels back down, creating a more balanced internal environment where healing can actually happen. If you've ever noticed that stress seems to make your body hurt more or that tension keeps your muscles tight, this tea is specifically for you. It doesn't knock you out or make you groggy. It simply takes the edge off, calming both your nerves and your entire system. And by doing that, it allows your muscles and joints to breathe, release, and begin to recover naturally. Beyond stress, Tulsi supports circulation, which is absolutely essential for healing. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients get to your muscles, helping you move with more ease and less effort. For anyone who feels their legs get cold or stiff in the evenings, a warm cup of holy basil tea might offer more than just comfort. It could genuinely improve how your body feels at rest. When you rise, it's best to enjoy Tulsi tea once or twice a day, either before or after a meal. I personally love it in the late morning or early evening. It pairs beautifully with a quiet moment, a bit of music, or just watching the birds outside your window. Brew it with hot water, let it steep for about 5 to 7 minutes, and sip it slowly. There's no caffeine, no buzz, just warmth, clarity, and calm. And here's something lovely. Many blends include other gentle herbs like lemon balm or chamomile, adding even more layers of calm and healing. let's keep sipping because the next tea blends energy and endurance in a way that's both ancient and powerful. And finally, we come to a blend that feels like strength itself: Ginseng Green Tea. This powerful duo combines the gentle alertness of green tea with the endurance-enhancing magic of ginseng. It's the kind of tea that doesn't just wake you up. It helps your body show up stronger, steadier, and more capable, especially if you've been feeling a bit slower on the stairs or hesitant when standing from a seated position. Green tea is packed with catechins, antioxidants, that protect your muscles and joints from oxidative stress. But when you add ginseng into the mix, things get even more interesting. According to a study published in the Journal of Ginseng Research, ginseng improves the way your muscles use oxygen during physical activity. That means when you walk, stand, or even lift something light, your muscles perform better and fatigue less quickly. It doesn't stop there. Another study from the American Journal of Chinese Medicine showed that older adults who consumed ginseng regularly experienced impressive improvements in walking speed and lower limb strength. That's significant, especially when every step counts and you want to move through life with confidence. What makes this tea especially great for older adults is that it energizes without overstimulating. You won't feel shaky or wired. Instead, you may notice a gentle lift, clearer focus, steadier legs, and a subtle motivation to move more throughout the day. And that small increase in movement is what helps keep your muscles engaged, your joints lubricated, and your confidence high. To brew it at home, you can combine loose-leaf green tea with a few thin slices of fresh ginseng root or a small spoon of ginseng powder if that's what you have. Steep it in hot water around 175 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 5 minutes. A drop of honey adds smoothness, while lemon brings brightness and boosts antioxidant absorption. Drink it in the morning to start your day strong or early afternoon if you need a second wind. Avoid drinking it too late in the day, as it might be a little too energizing for bedtime. And remember, this isn't just about a cup of tea. It's about building strength from the inside out. It's a quiet way to support your body every single day, helping you feel more stable, more capable, and more yourself. Now that we've explored each of these healing teas, it's time to wrap things up with a warm, encouraging message just for you. 6 beautiful teas. Each one a quiet ally in your journey to feel stronger, steadier, and more at ease. No pressure, no pushing, just warm, gentle support in every cup. Whether you're easing into a new day or winding down from a busy one, there's a tea waiting to help your body feel just a little better. Small steps, like these sips, can lead to big changes. Your body still listens to the care you give it, and it's never too late to begin. If today's video brought you a moment of peace or a new idea to try, go ahead and subscribe to SeniorForge 365. We're here for you every warm healing step of the way.